all at once.
A strong gust of wind picked up,
startling, surprise someone, surprise, startling, startles, make someone, make some surprised, startle. What's that?
Hope.
Hope.
Hope. Hope.
Startle.
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 Okay.
The baby startles
Easily.
More or move or jump suddenly and as his step
Surprise.
as in surprise and
Alarm.
Startle. Startle. Startle.
Startle, okay. Surprised. Okay, the gust of wind picked up, startling
him.
Nathan.
Slipped on the
Fallen
leaves, lost his balance.
Good.
And hit the ground with a
Thumb. Okay, just hit. Woo!
After a moment, Nathan sat up, giggling. Struggling to catch his breath as he brushed the dust of his body.
Okay.
Brushed the dust of his body. He noticed a big blue feather floating down from the sky. He
examined. You check it carefully, okay?
Examined the
Father, okay? It's not father. Father. What's that?
Father. It's feather.
Good.
No. Father.
Okay, feather. You notice a feather falling down, right? And so he examined the
feather so closely he barely saw it.
The owner. Who is the owner of the feather? A bird. A bird. Okay, his feather falls down. So the bird is a bird.
Glide
silently
down from above, but at the last minute he looked up and found himself face to face with a large dragon covered in blue feathers.
Okay, feather. Okay, it's a dragon. I think it's like a fairy. Okay, it's not real.
They started
stared.
They stared silently at each other. Then the dragon
Folded.
folded
Like folded clothes, right?
folded its silky wings.
Okay, like a silk. His wings are so bright, shiny like a silk. Okay, folded his wings.
And came closer. Its
Razor. Okay, this one is yeah. What's that?
Startle. Startle. Startle.
Okay, get surprised. Yeah, see?
Surprise.
Okay, startle.
Razor.
Razor.
Razor. Razor.
Okay.
To all
Device
with a sharp
edge
that is used to
shave
or cut hair from the face, body, or head.
Okay, razor.
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 Okay, spell it.
R-A-C-O. Razor.
Okay.
That's
What's this?
razor.
Okay, the razor edge is very sharp. Okay, razor sharp. Okay. The dragon folded its silky wing and came closer. Its
razor's sharp teeth were just inches from Nathan's face with a
puff. Okay.
Of smoke.
Okay, puff. Oh. Not sure why it's so slow. What's that?
Razor.
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 Okay, razor. Can spell it.
R-A-C-O-R. Razor.
Puff.
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 No. Puff. A light round paste. Puff. I think puff smoke. Puff of smoke. Yeah, that's like a puff of smoke. Okay.
Puff.
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 Okay, here.
Movement of gas,
smoke,
or
okay,
air that can be seen or
felt. Okay. Okay, here is
the
magician.
disappeared and a puff of smoke.
Okay, that's puff. Can I spell
P-U-F-F, puff,
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 puff.
The movement of smoke. Okay. What's going? Okay. And with the R.
Puff of smoke, the dragon tail let out a sharp
Screech. And the scream make a sound. So small. Don't like it.
puff, puff,
puff,
puff,
puff,
puff,
puff. The magical magician disappeared in a puff of smoke.
Okay. With a puff of smoke,
The dragon tail
let
let
out
out
sharp
with
screech.
screech,
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 screech.
Okay, very high shrill. Okay, like very high cry.
screech,
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 screech.
Can I spell?
S-C-R-E-E-C-H, screech.
Not when it's just okay.
screech,
Screech.
Can I spell?
S-C-R-E-E-C-H, screech.
Okay. What's that?
Scream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The dragon let out a sharp
Screech and
Nathan.
the scream in the back.
Okay. Screech.
screech,
Screech.
screech,
Screech.
screech,
Screech.
Can I spell?
S-C-R-E-E-C-H, screech.
Okay.
A high cry.
screech,
Screech.
screech,
Screech.
Okay. I scream. Okay.
The dragon looked. The dragon looked. Took. Fight.
Good.
Fight. As
Nathan
Nathan. The
nipped. Okay. Jump. Okay. Nipped. Nipped. Jump. Okay. Jump. Like that. Okay. What's it?
screech,
screech.
screech,
Screech.
screech,
Screech.
screech,
Screech.
Can I spell?
C-S-C-R-R-C-H, screech.
One more time.
S-C-R-R-E-E-C-H, screech.
Can you spell it?
S-C-R-E-E-C-H, screech.
screech,
Screech. High. Cry.
Okay. What's that?
Now.
What's this? Okay, let's stop.